Have you ever forgotten the password to your important Word document? Introducing SysTools MS Word Password Recovery Tool. Recover lost or forgotten passwords from Word documents effortlessly. Key features of the software.
Dual format support. Recovers passwords from both DOC and DOCX Microsoft Word files. Up to 12-character recovery. Capable of recovering passwords up to 12 characters in length. Complex and multilingual passwords. Handles complex passwords including multilingual characters and special symbols. 2 advanced algorithms. Provides brute force and mask attack methods for flexible, targeted recovery.
To download the software, go to Google and search SysTools MS Word Password Recovery Tool. Then, click the top search results with the official SysTools website link. Once you're on the website, click on Download button. Once installed the software, simply launch it. You will be greeted with main interface. Let's start the file import process to add your password-protected Word file. Click the Browse button, select the file, and click Open. The tool provides 2 recovery modes: unknown password, brute force, and partially known password, mask. Unknown password tries every possible character combination until the correct password is found. Useful when you know nothing about the password, but it can take a long time for complex passwords. Partially known password uses any parts you remember, length, known characters, or patterns to drastically narrow the search and recover the password much faster. Select Unknown Password Brute Force, then choose the options. Include uppercase. Enable if the password has uppercase letters. Include lowercase. Enable if the password has lowercase letters. Include numbers. Enable if the password contains digits. Include special characters. Enable to include symbols. Include space or tab. Enable if the password contains spaces or tabs. Choose the options to tell the tool how the password begins. Capital letter, the first character is an uppercase letter. Small letter, the first character is a lowercase letter. Numeric, the password begins with a digit. Special character, the first character is a symbol. None, there's no fixed rule for the first character.
Password length is the maximum length of the password and the minimum length of the password you want. This tool can identify the length till 12 digits.
Click Recover to start the password recovery. The process may take some time depending on the password's length and complexity. When recovery completes, a pop-up will appear. Click OK to confirm. And here are your recovered password. Click Copy Password. Then click on Open Database button to open your locked doc/docs file. When prompted, paste or enter the recovered password to unlock the document.
And that's it. That's how you can easily recover and unlock your password-protected document file. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.